When we think about attracting someone's attention or making them deeply interested in us, the first thought often revolves around external strategies, what to say, how to behave, or what to wear. But Stoicism teaches us something radically different. Instead of focusing on how to control others or manipulate situations, it shifts our attention inward. The true key to becoming irresistible isn't about what you do to others, it's about who you become. Let's begin with the core of Stoic philosophy, the dichotomy of control. This is the idea that in life, there are things within our control and things outside of it. Attempting to control what's beyond your influence, like someone else's feelings or actions, is not only a waste of energy but also a surefire way to lose your peace of mind. What you can control, however, are your own thoughts, actions, and attitudes. And this is where the magic happens. Imagine someone who exudes confidence, calm, and purpose, a person who knows their worth and doesn't chase after approval. That's the kind of person who naturally attracts others. Stoicism teaches us that by focusing on our own growth and living a life of integrity, we become magnetic. It's not about chasing someone's attention, it's about living in such a way that attention naturally comes to us. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic thinkers, said, "The tranquility that comes when you stop caring about what they say, or think, or do. Only what you do." This is the foundation of becoming someone others are drawn to. By cultivating an inner calm and focusing on what truly matters, you set yourself apart in a world filled with noise and distraction. In the next part, we'll delve deeper into how living with purpose and embracing Stoic principles can make you truly unforgettable. Now that we understand the foundation of Stoicism and its focus on inner strength, let's explore how this philosophy translates into making someone deeply intrigued by you. The secret isn't about games or tricks, it's about standing out by being calm, purposeful, and authentic in a world that often feels chaotic. When you embody these qualities, people start to notice. They're drawn to your steadiness, your confidence, and your ability to remain composed no matter what's happening around you. This isn't just attractive, it's rare. Here's something to think about. Have you ever met someone who seemed completely at peace with themselves? Someone who didn't seem to be trying too hard, yet everyone around them was captivated? That's the power of living with purpose and clarity. When you stop trying to impress, you naturally become impressive. But before we continue, let me ask you something. Are you enjoying these insights? If so, take a moment to subscribe to The Inner Gold. Joining this community is your next step in mastering Stoicism and unlocking the best version of yourself. And don't forget to like this video. It helps us reach more people who, like you, are striving for personal growth and meaningful connections. Now, back to Stoicism. When you let go of needing to control what others think or feel, you free yourself from the anxiety that comes with constant performance. Instead, you focus on living virtuously, which, as the Stoics teach, is the ultimate goal of life. When you live this way, you don't just attract others, you inspire them. Let's now dive into how you can put these Stoic principles into practice to naturally draw people toward you. It all starts with your mindset and daily actions. The key is not to obsess over impressing others, but to live a life so aligned with your values that it radiates outward. First, embrace the art of presence. When you're with someone, truly be there. Put away distractions and focus fully on the person in front of you. In today's world of constant noise, this kind of genuine attention is incredibly rare and deeply impactful. It shows confidence, self-assurance, and respect. Second, approach challenges with grace. Life is full of difficulties, but how you handle them sets you apart. The Stoics believe that adversity is an opportunity to grow stronger. When you navigate problems with calmness and determination, people can't help but admire your resilience and strength. Third, practice detachment. Stoicism teaches us to detach from outcomes and focus on the process. Don't cling to the need for approval or validation. When you're self-sufficient and content with who you are, you exude a natural magnetism that others find irresistible. This is the paradox of attraction. The less you seek it, the more it finds you. Lastly, reflect on your actions daily. Marcus Aurelius wrote his meditations as a way to stay aligned with Stoic principles. You can do the same. Take time to journal about your interactions, your emotions, and your progress. This practice not only improves your self-awareness but also reinforces your growth. By embodying these habits, you cultivate a presence that's hard to ignore. People will be drawn to your authenticity and the way you carry yourself with purpose. But remember, this isn't about manipulating others, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. And in doing so, you naturally inspire and attract those around you. As we bring everything together, it's important to remember that the core of Stoicism is about living virtuously and authentically. This isn't about using tricks or strategies to make someone obsessed with you. It's about embodying qualities that naturally draw people in: confidence, calm, and a sense of purpose. When you stop worrying about others' opinions or chasing external validation, you create a space for meaningful connections to form. People are attracted to those who exude stability and self-assuredness because these traits are rare. By practicing the principles we've discussed, presence, resilience, detachment, and reflection, you set yourself apart in a way that's genuine and lasting. Now, let me ask, has this journey into Stoic wisdom resonated with you? If so, take the next step and subscribe to The Inner Gold. By doing so, you're joining a community dedicated to mastering the art of living and growing into the best version of yourself. And don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who could benefit from these ideas. Your support helps us spread timeless wisdom to more people. In closing, remember this: becoming someone others admire isn't about performing or pretending. It's about cultivating inner peace, strength, and authenticity. When you live aligned with these values, the right people will naturally gravitate toward you, not because you're chasing them, but because of the person you've become. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.